Kids Invent Stuff, and if you're new here, welcome.
Welcome! And today we are going to attempt to make a magic floating carpet that can cross water, designed by 6-year-old Harrison.
It's engineering meets magic.
Kids Invent Stuff.
So when you think of magic carpets, you think of Aladdin. So we've got, ta-da! This is a replica of the actual carpet from Aladdin!
So we've got our magic Aladdin's carpet, and on Harrison's drawing, all you can see is the carpet itself on the surface of the water, so we're going to have to come up with a way to hide all of the workings of the magic carpet underneath the carpet itself.
To bring to life Harrison's invention, we're going to mount a carpet on a floating foam raft with hidden battery-powered electric propellers that the rider can remote control to propel the carpet along. You can't ta-da, it's a piece of foam and some plywood. What are you doing?
I am measuring a barrel! I don't know why I said it in such a strange accent, but I'm measuring a barrel.
So we're going to sink our barrel into our foam a little bit.
Ready, steady. It's magic!
It's a lovely waterproof barrel. Not anymore.
So to power Harrison's floating magic carpet along the surface of the water, we have these powerful electric motors that we're going to fit propellers onto, and they are going to mount on either side of the barrel, one on this side, one on the other side, so we can turn them on and off to steer it and drive it along. It's a propeller!
All I wish for is tea.
Tea!
It's magic!
So we've welded up these little support brackets which take the weight of our motors on both sides, and they are going to be bolted through our raft.
So we've made this metal cage which is going to hold in place our barrel, and we're going to secure it through our foam and our plywood in 4 places. Let's drill some stuff! Shawn! Ooh, saved it.
Expert. So this is Harrison's invention idea, but for this invention challenge we were sent loads of other amazing invention ideas, and looking through all the kids' ideas we've been sent is one of our favourite things to do. And there were some other amazing ones that we absolutely loved, including 8-year-old Peter's amazing floating bathtub, along with 9-year-old Eleanor's helicopter-style flying fish, and 11-year-old Benjamin's clapping-activated motorised surfboard. And if you know of any kids who might like their invention ideas brought to life, then they can send them to us on our website, which will appear on the screen below. And we absolutely love seeing everyone's invention ideas. So we want Harrison's magic carpet to actually appear to be magic. So we've got this little remote controller that we'll be able to hide in our pocket somewhere when we're sat on the carpet. And this is going to control the electricity from these 2 contactors here, which will allow us to either have both of our propellers and motors spinning to go forwards, or one or the other so we can steer. And this is all going to be connected to this battery that's going to power our motors. This is going to go inside this box here. The box and the battery are going to go inside our barrel. And what could possibly go wrong? Hopefully it won't leak. It'll be fine. Okay, first propeller test. Here is our remote. Let's see if it propels. Is that a word? Yes, it is.
It works! We need a thing that works!
It's a remote controlled propeller motorized floating carpet magic thing.
A whole new world, a new fantastic point of view.
Welcome to Kids Invent Stuff, where we don't normally sing.
Too much? Give me some tassel. We could have spent hours sewing this on, but why do that when you've got a hot glue gun? Look how simple. Oh yeah, that would have been hours. Hours of my life have just got back.
Tassels.
Stop hassling my tassels.
Tassels. So we finished building 6-year-old Harrison's amazing magic floating carpet.
But we haven't actually tested it in any water yet.
So what you're saying is it might possibly sink?
it might possibly sink. But if it does, we're going to film it and that will be next week's video.
So join us next time to see what happens in that. And also, if you know any kids who might like their invention ideas brought to life, then send them to our website.
Which will appear on the screen below. And if you like this video, give us a little thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And don't forget to subscribe.
We will see you next time.
Bye!
Don't forget to like and subscribe.